Good morning children, Shadi Shanti. Today we are going to solve exercise 7.2 problems. First one, find the cube root of each of the following numbers by prime factorization method. First question, 64. 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 2 6s are 12, 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2. Okay, by prime factorization we get 64 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. After writing, make it 3 groups, group of 3. Okay, 64 is equal to 2 into 2 whole cube. Then 64 is equal to 4 cube. They asked us to write it as a cube, children. Cube root means this 3 when you transpose it will become cube of 64. Means cube root of 64 is equal to 4. Okay. Next one. 512. 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 8s are 16, 2 6s are 12, 2 4s are 8, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 2 6s are 12, 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2. Write all the prime factors what we got, children. Here we can make it a group of 3. Okay. Then 512 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 whole cube will become. 512 is equal to 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8 cube. Then cube root of 512 is equal to 8. Next one, 10,648. 2 5s are 10, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 1 will remain, 2 6s are 12, again 1 remain, 2 6s are 12, 2 2s are 4. Here 2 1s are, 2 3s are, 2 3s are, 2 1s are. This now children, next prime number directly 11. It is 11 cube children, that's why. Okay, 11 1s are 11, 11 2s are 22, 11 1s are, and 11 1s are 11, 1 will remain, again 11 1s are, here 11 1s are 11. By prime factorization we get, make it a group of 3 children after writing. Then 10,648 is equal to 2 into 11 whole cube we can write. 11 2s are 22 cube. Then this 3 when you transpose, cube root of 10,648 is equal to 22 it will become. Next one, 27,000. 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, 2 5s are 10, 0 0 as it is. 2 6s are 12, 2 7s are 14, 2 5s are 10, 1 0. Okay. Then 2 3s are 6, 2 3s are 6, 2 7s are 14, 2 5s are 10, then 3 1s are, 3 1s are, 3 2s are, 3 5s are, 3 3s are 9, 3 7s are 21, 3 5s are 15, next 3 1s are, 3 2s are, 3 5s are. I don't children. 5 2s are 10, 5 5s are 25, 5 5s are 25, 5 1s are 5. Okay. By prime factorization we get 27,000 is equal to 3 times 2 we got, 3 times 3 also we got, and 3 times 5 also we got. Then 2 into 3 into 5 whole cube we can write. 27,000 is equal to 2 3s are 6, 6 5s are 30. 30 cube, then cube root of 27,000 is equal to 30. Next question children. 15,625. 5 3s are 15, 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 5s are 25. Then 5 6s are 30, 5 2s are 10, 5 5s are 25, 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 5s are 25, 5 2s are 10, 2 will remain, 5 5s are 25, 5 5s are 25, 5 1s are 5. I given complete prime factorization children. You write neatly and then find the cube root of the given number, that is 15,625. Okay. Next one, 13,824. 2 6s are 12, 2 9s are 18, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12, 2 1s are 2, 2 7s are 14, 2 2s are 4, 2 8s are 16. Then 2 8s are 16, 2 6s are 12, 2 4s are 8, 2 4s are 8, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4. Then 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 2 6s are 12, 2 1s are 2, 0, 2 8s are 16, 2 5s are 10, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 2 7s are 14, 3 9s are 27, 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3. Okay, write all the prime factors neatly and arrange, make it a group of 3 children and then find the cube root of the given number, that is 13,824. Next one, children, this is 1,10,592 they given. Okay, 2 5s are 10, 2 5s are 10, 2 2s are 4, 2 9s are 18, 2 6s are 12, 2 2s are 4, 2 7s are 14, 2 6s are 12, 2 4s are 8, 2 8s are 16. Okay, 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, 2 8s are 16, 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 2 6s are 12, 2 9s are 18, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12, 2 1s are 2, 2 7s are 14, 2 2s are 4, 2 8s are 16, 2 8s are 16, 2 6s are 12, 2 4s are 8, 2 4s are 8, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4. Here 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 2 6s are 12. Then 2 1s are 0 because 1 will not come children. 0 we have to consider and then 2 digits at a time. 2 8s are 16, 2 5s are 10, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 2 7s are 14, 3 9s are 27, 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3. Many prime factors you got children. Write neatly, arrange it properly. 3 groups you do and then find the cube root of the given number. Next one. 46,656. 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, 2 8s are 16. Then 2 1s are 2 1s are 2 6s are 12, 2 6s are 12, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 2 8s are 16, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, 2 9s are 18, 2 1s are 2, 2 6s are 12, 2 1s are 2 4s are 2 5s are 2 8s are 2 7s are 14, 2 2s are 4, 2 9s are 18. Then 3 2s are 6, 3 4s are 12, 3 3s are 9. Next 3 8s are 24, 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 7s are 21, 3 9s are 27, 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3. Find the cube root of the given number. 2 more questions remain children, that is 9th and 10th. Solve as homework. Okay. Next one children, state true or false. First one, cube of any odd number is even, they said. It is false children because 1, 3, 5 are odd numbers. 1 cube is equal to 1, 3 cube is equal to 27, 5 cube is equal to 125. Here 1, 7, 5 also all are odd. Then we will get odd, not even. Therefore, cube of any odd number is even is false. Okay. Next one, a perfect cube does not end with 2 zeros they given. It is true because perfect cube end with 3 zeros children, means other odd number of zeros. 10 cube is equal to 1000 children, here 3 zeros. 30 cube is equal to 27,000, here also 3 zeros. Means it does not end with 2 zeros. Okay. Therefore, it is true. Next one, if square of a number ends with 5, then its cube ends with 25, they said. All the cubes which will end with 5, those will not end with 25 children. For example, 15 cube is equal to 3375. It ends with 75. Therefore, the given statement is false. Next one, there is no perfect cube which ends with 8 they given. 2 cube value is 2 into 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. It ends with 8. 12 cube is equal to 1728. This number also ends with 8. Therefore, the given statement is false. The cube of a 2-digit number may be a 3-digit number they given. It is false children because 10 cube is equal to 1000. It is a 4-digit number. It is the smallest 2-digit number, right? Then its cube only we got it as a 4-digit number. Then the cube of a 2-digit number may be a 3-digit number is false. Next one, the cube of a 2-digit number may have 7 or more digits they given. Cube of a 2-digit number. Children, I have considered greatest 2-digit number. 99 cube. 9,70,299 we got. It is a 6-digit number. It is not 7 or more than that. Okay. Therefore, the given statement is false. Last one, the cube of a single digit number may be a single digit number they given. It's true because 1 cube is equal to 1 and 2 cube is equal to 8. We got single digit number answers. Therefore, the given statement is true. Next question children. You are told that 1331 is a perfect cube. Can you guess without factorization what is its cube root? Similarly, guess the cube roots of 4913, 12,167, 32,768. First one, 1331. Cube root of 1331 is equal to 11. Here observe, it is a 4-digit number, 3 separate and this one separate I have done children. 1 cube is equal to 1, this is a single digit number, again 1 cube is equal to 1. 1 is 11. Okay. In the same way, this 4,913. Cube root of 4,913 is equal to 17. I have written 4 separate and this 3 digits separate. Here 3 cube value is 27. Here last digit, 1's place is 7. It is a single digit number children, then 1 cube is equal to 1. It is 17. I have written. Okay. Next one, 12,167. Cube root of 12,167 is equal to 23. Here 2 digits separate and last 3 digits separate. Okay, 7 cube value is 343. Here last digit is 3 children, I have written 3. Here 12 lies between 8 and 27. 8 is cube of 2. 2 cube is equal to 8, 3 cube is equal to 27. 12 lies between 8 and 27. Then which is the smallest cube root here? 2. Then I will consider 2. 2, 3 which is equal to 23. And the last one 32,768. Last 3 digits separate and last 2 digits, these 2 digits separate. Here 8 cube is 512. Here 1's digit is 2. 32 lies between 27 and 64. 27 is cube of 3. 64 is cube of 4. Then here the smallest one is 3. This answer is 32. Thank you.